So you are thinking about studying civil engineering. Maybe you are good at math, or maybe you just like the idea of building things that actually matter. But you are probably wondering, what am I actually signing off for? Is it just 4 years of stress, or is there a real future here? Welcome to my channel Civil Talks. My name is Manish. I am a professional civil engineer, Bachelor's of Civil Engineering specialized in hydropower, and Masters of Engineering Civil and Infrastructure. Today, I am pulling back the curtain. We are going to look at the traditional pillars of this field, the modern frontiers, and the most importantly, exactly when you have to decide which path to take. Civil engineering is the mother of all engineering. It's broken down into 4 core pillars that have existed for centuries. Number 1, structural engineering. This is the branch for the perfectionist. You aren't just drawing lines, you are managing load paths. You have to calculate how the weight of the roof travels through the beam, into the column, and down to the dirt. You will learn that steel is ductile. It warns you before it breaks. While the concrete is brittle, your job is to combine them so buildings are both strong and safe. Number 2, geotechnical engineering. The engineering of the earth. Every project starts with a drill rig. Geotech studies soil mechanics. It's complex because unlike steel, soil properties change with every drop of rain. You will learn about bearing capacity. If the soil is too soft, you will design friction piles. Massive concrete stilts that hold the building up just by the friction of the dirt rubbing against the sides. Number 3, water resources engineering. This is where physics meet fluid dynamics. You are designing for the worst case scenario. It's about hydrology, predicting rain, and hydraulics, calculating how fast the water moves. You will use the Manning equation to ensure water moves fast enough to stay clean, but slow enough that it does not erode the pipes. Number 4, transportation. This is the big picture. It's about capacity and safety. You will study geometric design. This involves side distances, calculating exactly how much road a driver needs to see ahead to stop safely based on the speed and the slope of the hill. Let's jump to 3 modern frontiers. Environmental engineering. This is the conscience of the industry. You will study remediation, using biology or chemistry to eat toxins in the soil of old industrial sites so we can safely build homes on them again. Construction management. If you want to lead a team of 200 people and manage a $50 million budget, this is it. It's about the logistic of execution. You'll find the critical path to ensure a project doesn't run a day late. Coastal engineering. You are dealing with the most unpredictable force on earth, the ocean. You will study wave mechanics to design structures that dissipate wave energy before it destroys our shorelines. The question I get asked most by students is, when do I have to pick one? Here's the secret. You don't have to decide on day one. In most universities, your first 2 years are general engineering. You will take calculus, physics, and basic mechanics. This is your first safety net. It gives you time to see what you actually enjoy. Usually, it's not until your 3rd or 4th year that you start picking specialized electives. You have plenty of time to find your vibe before you commit. You try it before you buy it. Let's talk real. The degree is tough. There will be nights where you are staring at a problem at 2 a.m. wondering if you made a mistake. Civil engineering is one of the few jobs where you leave the physical legacy. Most people leave an office at 5 p.m. and their work stays on a hard drive. When you finish a project, it stays on the earth for a century. You can take your family past a bridge or a park one day and say, I helped build that. It's a career for people who want to look at a map of their city and see their own fingerprints on it. If you are torn between architecture and civil, here's the test. Do you care more about how a building looks and the feeling of space? Go with architecture. Do you care more about how it works, how it stays safe, and the physics of why it stands up? That is civil engineering. So is it right for you? If you want a job where you can balance office work with field visits, if you want a stable, high-paying career that actually serves your community, and if you have the grit to get through the math to reach that impact, then yes. This isn't just a degree, it's the way we build the future. If you are a student and you are nervous about starting, drop a comment below. I have been through this grind and I am happy to help. Hit the like button if this helped you out and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one.